way, you guys forgive me. Hey besties, welcome back to another vlog video. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it. But you guys, this is gonna be all over the place because I have a ton of stuff to share with you. Beauty Pie, I don't know if you've ever heard of them. They carry skincare, fragrance, makeup. They have a little bit of everything. They reached out, asked if they could send some stuff over, and I was like, sure, okay, yes, absolutely. They sent over a bunch of stuff. I haven't really had a chance to play with it, so we're not gonna really talk about it, but they did send over this one fragrance. This name, La Fluence, I believe is what it's called. It's really, really good. This is what they sent over, the fragrance. I'm gonna play with it some more, but off initial first impression spray, it is really, really good. They sent over a box. They had inside of it, it had mascara, which is really nice. You know I'm a lip girl. And they also sent over a Wonder Gloss. This is a lip oil and it has collagen in it. And actually, it's very clear. I put it on and played with it a little bit yesterday. You really can't see anything, but I'm a gloss girl and I love it. And with collagen, we all need collagen because it starts to leave our bodies. So if I could put more in, drinking it, anything that's going to help with it, I'm here for it. This is the lip oil. I played with those, tried those briefly, but here's what stole my heart inside of the package. You know I love to glow. You know I love a dewy glow. I don't like looking like a Crisco grease. You know, there's a different kind. I don't mind being a glazed donut, but I don't want to be Crisco grease. Do you guys see the glow here? Hello? And then on my eyelids, I don't know if you could see it because this is a dew glow for your face and your body. It is by Beauty Pie, you guys. It is so good. This is what it looks like. This is the Pro Dew Glow for face and body by Beauty Pie. You guys, you take it off and then it has this applicator. This is what the applicator looks like here. So if you could see that there, that's what it looks like. It has like a little sponge. You squeeze it out and then you just apply some. I am going to apply some as I've been applying it all day. I love this. Let's put it here. So this is what this is giving. This is a glow that it gives. Oh, do you see that? I know you see it. I know you see this glow. Oh, and when the light hit it, it just reflects and it looks so super good. So I have this on all over here today and I'm just gonna, oh God, am I getting it on my dress? Girl, normally I would do it with a brush. I don't have a brush today. So I'm just gonna do it with my hands because I want you guys to see it. I just put it here. Here, I need you to go away and relax. And then I put it on, and I just want it like nearly on my collarbone. Like, oh my God, do you guys see? I know you, hello? I'm a girl that loves to glow. And this did it for me. You know when you just turn and the light hits it and you're taking pictures and you're like, hello, darling. Yes, more. Okay. That's what it is. I just thought I'd share just in case there are a few of you out there that love to glow like me. Beauty Pie, thanks for sending this over. Like I said, you guys, I will have it linked in the description box below. It is Pro Glow Liquid Dew and it's for your face and your body. And I did put it on my lids today too, a little bit up by my eyebrow bone because, you know, I love glowing. I love shining. I'm here for it all. I'm a star. I'm always shine bright. My fragrance that I wore to the event today was Guidance. This stole the show. Okay, at the bottom I had La Rose. At the top I had Guidance, and then all over my body I put on Windflower by Creed. So I wore 3 fragrances today. I wore this for my dewy glow. You see it, right? You see the dewy glow. And then I also wore like a body shimmer, like a body oil, which was my Karma Sutra, what I always wear. But this stole the show. This is a heavy hitter. I just did a video saying that this is such a heavy hitter. I didn't need to spray it heavy at all. I think I did maybe 5 or 6 sprays. Okay, pick somebody else that might be a little heavy. But for this, but I'm just saying, you don't, normally I do 10, 15, up to 25. Could be more. I'm just saying. With this, I didn't need to go heavy at all. It lasts all day. I still smell it on me right now. This is a beast. Yes, I know they came out with a new one. As soon as I get my nose on it, my hands on it, I'll be back to let you know. I did pop into Nordstrom. Was it Nordstrom or Bloomingdale? Hold on. Gosh. You guys, this video is very informal. Okay, can we just kiki? Thank y'all for coming over. Okay, good. I did pop into Nordstrom. No, it wasn't Nordstrom. It was Bloomingdale. I popped into Bloomingdale and I got my nose on the new fragrance by Chanel called Comet. Oh my gosh. It's really, really good. Mind you, I am biased. I am a Chanel lover. I love Chanel fragrances. This fragrance is definitely very powdery. I will say that right off base. I got very powdery. These are my cards that I had from the event. I am going to Chanel, playing with the cards. I put them on this, I put it on my hands, I put it on my clothes, I did a wear test, everything like that. It stayed on me for a good 8-9 hours. I washed my hands, I was still able to smell it. I put it on my wrist, I was still able to smell it. It's still on my shirt right now. This is 2 days later. This is really good. I will say this, it's definitely worth a whiff. If you like a powdery kind of soft fragrance, but then at the same time with some depth behind it, I would definitely say check it out. I don't know the notes or anything offhand. That's just like my first initial pick it up spray it. What do you think is in it? I think I did an Instagram. If you want to see the notes, check out that Instagram. I definitely shared it there. Off initial first impression, it's really good. I don't know if I'm gonna pick it up. I was with my guy. I put it up to him. I asked him, what do you think? He said it's a Chanel fragrance. It smells like Chanel. He did. He said it smells very mature. It smells very rich, very classy, very opulent, all the things that we say about Chanel, rich vibes, classy, sophistication, all the things it does. Those are the vibes that it gives. I love those vibes. So for me, I really quite like it. I don't know if I would be adding it to my collection again unless I can get a really small bottle, because I'm not reaching for those all the time right now. I'm in my tropical fruity. So I don't know, maybe around Christmas time, that would be the vibe for that fragrance. So I probably won't be getting it anytime soon, but definitely I can see myself rocking it around Christmas. So the event I'm coming from is Black Radiance. Love your shade of beauty. This is so sweet. Thank you so much, Black Radiance, for inviting me. I truly appreciate it. This is it. It was a beautiful event. You guys, this was on the table when we got there. They look like bricks of gold, but inside here is full with chocolate and candy. I'm on my straight and narrow, so I will not be eating it, but it was a cute keepsake, so I did take it. It was super cute. So yeah, this was it. Okay, so you guys, I don't know where I've been, under a rock. I told you I'm getting my makeup girl, okay? I'm being a makeup girly these days, so thank you so much for the invite. I didn't really know much about Black Radiance. I didn't know that they have makeup. I just didn't know, okay? I didn't know what I didn't know. So now I know, so I'm here to share with you. So I went upstairs. They did like a photo op. They had all these different things. If you follow me on Instagram, because that's where everything is spelled first, follow me over there, pause the video, go over, say hi. I'm pretty sure I did a reel. It was a really nice, tastefully done event. And they had like all these different type of stations that they had where you go. They had like Boss Baddie, the content creator. They just had like 4 different stations of different things. They're having an app, and the app is going to launch where you'll be able to go on their website, and if you are not able to get to a store, you're able to try on the makeup right from the comfort of your home. You'll be able to go on, download the app, and then play with the makeup, try it on, see how it looks on you. Well, if you're ever looking for like a contour shade, contour palette, bronzer, anything like that, I didn't know. I didn't get it. They didn't have it there. I'm gonna go to a Target. They're at Target, Walmart, CVS. You can order them on Amazon. You can order it on Amazon. It was this one palette that one of the ladies used on me to do my makeup. I did my makeup and she was like, girl, you beat your face. I was like, thank you. But I did my own makeup, but we went upstairs, get touch up and stuff. And I wanted her to tell me a little bit more about the makeup. And so they had like a gel liner. She fixed my cat eye for me. She told me like, okay, instead of going back, just go up. So I'll be trying that because the cat eye is always really tough for me to try and figure out how to do. And I think I want to do like beginner makeup, like fun, no stress, and do what you like. I'm not a person that follows a lot of rules. Like, I don't care what the people are saying. I'm gonna put the highlight and the blush until the gods. That's just what I love. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the blush on my nose. I'm gonna put it up here, take it, whatever. Anyway, so they had so many other amazing products and makeups that I never heard of, never seen before, never nothing. So they did send us home with this. I have never used any of this, so I can't tell you anything about it, but I will be back to play with it a little bit more. They have like a little bronze glow in here, a mascara. They have like a thing to make a wing liner. It looks like they have a lipstick in here, and it's just called Beyond Radiant, and it's Black Radiance. Like I said, this is their new formula. It looks like a new eyeshadow palette they came out with. This is what it looks like. I don't even know if I showed you guys, but this was really cute. I thought this was really nice. I was really thankful for the invite. You guys know I love makeup, and I'm so happy that so many of you love it too. I keep getting all kind of questions on the channel, like, oh my god, can you spill the makeup tea? Are you gonna do a makeup video? You guys, yes, I have become the new makeup girly. Hello, look out for the makeup content. It's coming. So this is a shade palette that they gave us, and I thought these colors were really rich and really warm, so I cannot wait to play with them. They have another one too, another palette that's got kind of green. If you see that, if I can link some down below, I will, and also places to find them that you're able to buy them. But this was really cool. I really like this. It was a beautifully done event. I met so many amazing people. Oh my gosh, it was so fun to network and hang out. They had drinks, they had food, and they had finger food, but they had like a full food, like go ahead and make you a whole plate. There were servers there that made it. They had like a taco bar, they had chips, salsa. You know I love Mexican food, so I was like, oh my god, don't serve me Mexican food, it's my weakness. But it was so good. It was so good. So it was just a great time. I cannot wait to play with the makeup, but the contour palette that they had just stole the show. And that gel eyeliner, because can you guys see it? Can you see the cat eye? Hello? Excuse you? It was really nice. She I had my cat eye on already, but I just asked her if she can like draw it on top of it just so I could watch her draw it. I got some behind the scenes, some footage. I'll try and put it in here and there for what I got so that you can see it, because it was really nice. And when she gave me the compliment, it was like, no, but your makeup really looks good. Everything is placed in the right place. So I want to share that with people. Like, if you don't know what to do, here's what I do, or here's what works for me. And you have to go according to your face. So a quick tip, and I'll move on, is that she was saying that contouring here, because I'm cheeky, you know what I mean? It runs in my family. I'm just cheeky. So she told me put my contour here and bring it down and stop it about right here. And I'm like, okay. And then I was telling her I don't really contour or do anything on my forehead because my forehead's not there like that. And I'm not trying to take it away and make it non-existent. And she was like, well, it's okay. You still want to put a little bit of bronzer here going around because you want it to look, you know, seamless. You want everything to blend together, and you want those shadows to not be there. So you want to make everything look seamless. So I was asking her, so when applying contour and doing the contour and everything like that, like what is that for? Because contour and bronzer kind of get me confused. So I'm like, are they one of the two, or how do we do it? She goes, people use bronzer in place of contour, or some people use both. And so I had just been using like bronzer as contour, but she was saying you can put the contour here and then you could do the bronzer all the way around, or you can put the bronzer, you know, after you do the contour and blend it. You guys, I'm gonna do a makeup video. I'm gonna do it. If you want to see me do it, give this video a thumbs up, put Cheraye makeup review, because you know I'm a makeup girly now. Okay, it's just another thing I'm gonna be adding to the channel. It's so much fun. I love talking about it. I love makeup. I think it's such an amazing way to express yourself. I get super excited about it. I'm very passionate about it. I have so much makeup, so it's not even funny, and I would love to start using it and doing videos with it, because that would be fun too. But I do love being on my makeup journey. When I'm in there, I got my podcast going, sometimes I have music going, sometimes I have a video going. It's just a great way to just invest time back into you. And who doesn't love getting all pretty? Like, those are my favorite things to do. Get dressed up, get my hair done, do my makeup, and go out to eat or go out to whatever. Just go out for an evening. I love that. It just makes you feel so good. Besides, Monday through Friday, I don't be looking like this. I'll be coming from the gym. It be rough. I still be cute, but it be rough. It don't be this. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I will be back to do more in depth and let you know. But thank you so much to Beauty Pie for sending this over. And thank you so much to Black Radiance for inviting me. I'm super excited because I have so many amazing goodies to share with you guys. And I cannot wait to rock this fragrance. It was so good. And don't forget, if you slept on Guidance, I know they have a new one out. I know. As soon as I get my nose on it, I will. Check out that Chanel fragrance. But Guidance is amazing. It did not disappoint today. It was just another memory made with it. The Chanel fragrance is absolutely amazing. And did I share this with you guys too? Did you see the new bottle from Perfumes de Molly? With all the beautiful roses on it. I believe these were hand painted on. They are absolutely gorgeous, right? Absolutely love them. I love this. It's Delina. It's the same fragrance. If you want to pick up the limited edition, though, I would suggest you go into Nordstrom. I still seen it at Nordstrom. I was in there recently and they had it. It's a limited edition. It's the same fragrance, same smell, same everything. It just gives you the limited edition. You know, if you're going to re-up on it, or you want to pick it up again, or if you've never purchased it and you're like, girl, it's summer. I need it. Go for it. This is the box that it came in. It's there. It's just cute. You know, it's just cute for us that love Delina. This is just something to add to your collection. Okay, guys, seriously, I do have to go now. I love you like I love cook food. I'll be back to talk to you in the next one. Please don't take this video too serious because I was just having fun. It was very exciting because I was like, I can't wait to get home to call up the besties like, doo, 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 doo. I know y'all been staying by your phone and I'm calling you back to let you know what's tea. Here is what I've been up to. Here's what's been going on. Let me fill you in on all the goodies. Well, a few of them that we received, and we'll talk about some other ones in the next one. I love you like I love cook food. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.